Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about vegetative propagation. When a new plant grows from the vegetative parts of a plant, it is called vegetative propagation. We have also learned about artificial vegetative propagation, and there are three methods, out of which we have already done one of the methods, that is the layering. Now, in this method, a stem or a branch is bent to the ground. A small part of the stem is buried in soil so that roots develop there. So, this portion is buried till a root is developed. Examples are grapes, climbing roses, and jasmine. So, this is the process. Alright, so this portion is cut. You have already seen in the video, this portion grows and is bent, and after few days you'll find roots will be developed, and this is transported into another plant. Now class, today we'll be learning about two methods in artificial vegetative propagation. So first one is cutting, a simple process. So in this method, a small part of a stem, leaf or root is cut and planted in soil. This is called a cutting. It develops roots and forms a new plant. Examples are rose, hibiscus, and bougainvillea. So this portion after cutting, it is inserted in a soil, as you can see over there. So a small portion of the stem, a leaf or root is cut and planted in the soil, as you can see over here. A small portion and is planted in the soil, and from there gives rise to a new plant. Next we are going to do is about grafting. As you can see in the video, the process of grafting. So what is grafting then? This method combines the desirable characteristics of two varieties of a plant. The stem of a plant is cut off that its roots are still in the soil. This plant is called a stalk. Alright, so which is already present inside the soil, that is called a stalk. A stem cutting from another healthy plant named the scion is placed over the stalk. So this portion is placed over the stalk. The stalk and scion are tied together, and the stalk provides the scion with water and minerals. So once they are stuck over there, the stalk will provide water and minerals to this new plotted plant. The resulting plant has the hardiness of the stalk, but the desirable fruits or flowers of the scion. So the main thing in this is this will support, but this will bear the fruits and the vegetables. Alright? So we have learned about grafting. In this process, the stem of the plant is cut off, and that its roots are still in the soil. So the whole thing, the stem is cut and the stalk is remaining over there. A stem cutting from another healthy portion plant, namely the scion, is placed over the stalk. So this portion is stuck over here, and it is wrapped and tied around with the plastic, as you can see in this method. This is the scion that you see, and this is the scion, and this is the stalk. And you can see now it is wrapped around with the help of a tape. The stalk and the scion are tied together, and the stalk provides the scion water and minerals. So class, Today we have learned about another two methods of artificial vegetative propagation, that is cutting and grafting.